Have you ever wondered what technologies are being developed behind the closed doors of the world's most secretive military labs? Technologies that seem like they're straight out of the future? Today, we're diving into 5 top secret military technologies that were recently exposed. Get ready, because some of these will blow your mind. Number 1. Invisible drones. First up, drones so stealthy, even radar can't detect them. Projects like Raven Black have shown that the US and its allies are developing drones that seem to vanish into thin air. Covered in special radar-absorbing material, these drones collect critical intelligence and beam it back in real time, without anyone knowing they're even there. Number 2. Tactical laser weapons. Second, laser guns, and no, we're not talking about sci-fi movies. The US Navy recently deployed laser systems capable of silently disabling drones and fast attack boats, all without a single bullet being fired. Just pure, concentrated light, and the enemy is neutralized. Number 3. Autonomous combat robots. Third, combat robots that make their own decisions. Experimental projects like Ghost Robotics are developing robots that can move across battlefields, identify targets, and even engage, all without direct human control. The future of warfare might belong to machines sooner than we think. Number 4. Exoskeleton power suits. Fourth, exoskeleton suits that turn ordinary soldiers into superhumans. Companies like Lockheed Martin are working on wearable robotic frames that boost a soldier's strength, endurance, and speed. Imagine running for miles with full gear and not even breaking a sweat. Number 5. Hypersonic guided missiles. And fifth, hypersonic missiles that travel at over 5 times the speed of sound. The US, China, and Russia are racing to perfect these unstoppable weapons, but can also maneuver mid-flight. Intercepting them? Almost impossible. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. What about the technologies that are still hidden from the world? What do you think is the most dangerous military technology of the future? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to uncover more military secrets and cutting-edge tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Stay curious, the future is closer than you think.